Now that your cables have been ran through any of the intermediate pass-through posts that you have in your run, start with your first row of cable and pull it tight so that your cable is running over the top or bottom of the swage stud on your tensioner. Mark the cable at the second indentation line on the stud. Repeat the same process for all of the remaining rows of cable on the run. Once all of your cables have been marked, use your cable cutter to cut all of the cables at each mark. With your cables all cut, hold on to the turnbuckle body for each tensioner and unthread your turnbuckle swage studs. Slide each stud onto the end of your cables and then using your swaging tool, swage on each stud. Next, hold on to the studs on the receiver side of the turnbuckle bodies and then partially unthread the turnbuckle bodies so that the majority of the threads of the studs are exposed. Lastly, insert each of your cables attached to your studs back into the turnbuckle bodies and then rotate the turnbuckle bodies until each cable is hand tight.